Sweating as she's showing off to get me turned on. Got me rolling, slowing down to finish up. But I'm still going oceans till the morning comes. Till the morning comes. Please take me back, just take me back to that time of innocence. Lay down with me, but keep it clean so the secret never ends. Everything I wanna do on this night just feels so right. Just feels so chasing white rabbits like Alice, this spell gon' clear our minds. Living life so lavish, bad habits, don't trip, they will be fine. Swiss girl, our French kiss, I meant to see passion in my eyes. And I do this every time, so please don't kill my high. And I do this every time. Crazy off the potent, yeah I'm Neo, yeah I'm chosen. Dodging bullets like I'm floating. 2020, yeah I'm focused, but I'm lost in the moment. Fuck my heart, yeah it's frozen. You ain't know this shit, I'm broken. You the same too, riding around with the same crew. No, they couldn't walk a mile in my loops. They ain't gon' fit the size of these shoes. Liquor don't hit the side when I booze. Tino's doing numbers, check the views. Never me begging friendly, I feel move. My baby ain't doing time, what's the cruise? And you know you best believe it. Riding a wave till I'm seasick. I hope my mama can see this. Okay, why am I waking up out of my sleep? Thinking of you, babe. You had a home on me, and now I'm feeling freer than I've ever been. You've been around love, but you've never been in.
Good morning, folks. Just a quick audio check and see how we're doing here this morning. We are in this dealing range here on the daily chart. This is S&P June contract. So we're inside this area here. We have not really had any movement to the upside or downside. This morning at 8:30 we have ECB, which is going to bring volatility obviously for the markets and Forex. And we also have 8:30 jobless claims coming out. So that's going to move the markets around. Sell side liquidity resting below here, so they might want to sweep that. What we do after that remains to be seen. If we break below these lows in here, my attention goes right into this area here. So that would be this. Okay. If we take out yesterday's high, I'll be looking for a potential run to this high here. Okay, so I'm going to be looking for clues whether or not they want to take either side. I don't know which side it's going to take, folks. So I'm going to wait and see what happens. And if we get an imbalance and we get a rebalance into that area for fair value gap with the ideal liquidity pool that could be targeted, that's what I'll be focusing on today. But right now, the power drive, wait for the news to come out and the initial volatility to come in.
Flowing through my veins. Want you and all the girls you came with. She tells her friends you must be famous. Don't let that intimidation. I'm faded but you know I'll take you. Grinding while the music bumping. You know that it's all or nothing. Just like my girl is crazy. And I don't know what baby. Yeah, and I wanna be the one to go deeper, and I wanna be the one to go higher. Cause you know it's not enough to get even. I got reasons. Yeah, and I wanna be the one to go deeper, and I wanna be the one to go higher. Cause you know it's not enough to get even. I got reasons. Yeah, we gon' let the liquor flow. In the club with so much snow. Got enough of shit to kill for. I know this is what you live for. One more shot and then we roll out. Said it's me, she want it all now. Your girls are coming too. Some shit we gotta do. She only knew you look just like my girl. It's crazy. And it's time for my revenge now, baby. Yeah, and I wanna be the one to go deeper, and I wanna be the one to go higher. Cause you know it's not enough to get even. I got reasons. Yeah, and I wanna be the one to go deeper, and I wanna be the one to go higher. Cause you know it's not enough to get even. I got reasons. Yeah. You say it should come around, come around. You say that we wanna know. You say it down. You just tryna come around, come around. You just tryna come around, come around. You say that we smoking loud, smoking loud. Gonna start some drama now.
Hey folks, guess what's coming to the channel? Daily market reviews for Forex, stock index futures, and maybe commodities. I know, all for free. No obligation, no strings, no upsell. I probably should have used the filter now that I'm looking at myself. You know I don't do that. Well, we're about to begin a new week. Are you ready? Come over here. Yes, look at you, look at you. Oh, look at you. Oh, you're laughing all over.
It feels
How you doing, folks? All right, so what I was outlining when I showed the economic calendars and 8:30, right before 8:30 news, which was very modest news coming out, but we had an order block on S&P, we had a fair value gap, and also London lows. So we had sell side. I was teaching this recently where we have low, lower low, lower low. It keeps taking sell side into a PD array. Sell side with this swing low taken here. Sell side below the swing low here taken as it hits the order block. And SMT divergence because S&P failed to go lower and meet the same lower low that NASDAQ posted. Okay, so I drew out the fair value gaps as a draw on liquidity. I like this type of trade. Now this is going to be a little bit more advanced trade, but I've been asked a lot, like outside of the model, what are some of the things I like to look for? This is one of them where I'm actually buying sell side and coupling it with an opposing PD array in the form of a premium fair value gap. Look at the low of this candle here. Right here, look at that value. 39.23 and a quarter. What's the high of that candle right there? Right here. 39.23 and a quarter. That's perfection. That's how you get algorithmic principles in play. Now, I suspect they're probably going to want to come up in here, but we'll see what we get. Might be wrong.
So